You can see this is one of your designs. I'm going to open it up. Once the design opens, you're going to come over to share here. You're going to click on see all. You will see there are two types of templates you can actually create. One is a brand template, which is not the one I'm asking you to do. This is actually the one you are going to do template link. Once you click on the template link, you're going to click on create template link. So once you do that, that's already copied on your clipboard. If you look at my screen here, you'll see that I have different Chrome profiles. So you should know how to open a Chrome profile, by the way. So I'm going to go into a different Chrome profile. This is a different account sitting on this profile. And I'll click on this plus sign and paste that link I created, the template link I created. Once I do that, I will enter on my keyboard and that link will load up. And what you should do next is to click on view templates. Once you click on view templates, you're going to click on open in editor. So once you open this template in your editor, it's going to sit as your own design. Since you're making this as a template, it's going to say copy of Ferrous. So you might want to also come into the naming so you have proper naming structure and clean out the copy and enter. So now if you go over to file here, you will see that this design is created by Sarita Obinna. This design is now her design that she created, no longer my own design that I sent to her, because she has a template link that she is working with. So that way you transfer all the design using template link into your own account.